Hello there. I made a point of timing how long it took me to get here. I am at Monsal Head, going down to Monsal Dale. It took me 31 minutes from Chesterfield, and I got stuck behind two tractors going about 20 miles an hour, and this isn't normal, by the way. But yeah, from the top of Holymore side all the way to 13 Bends. Probably only going to take 25 minutes on a normal day. Anyway, really worth seeing. Probably 25 minutes drive from Chesterfield. Quite a famous hotel here. I think Joe Cocker's played here. I've actually stayed in those rooms up there once. This car park's normally quite full, so and this is definitely the earliest I've been here. Pretty quiet, pretty peaceful. But yeah, this is really something special. In the top 5, maybe top 10. Check this out. I think I'll send the drone up now. Enjoy. Some of my earliest memories coming down Monsal Dale and paddling at the bottom in this beautiful waterfall, and the water was freezing, but obviously with a bit of safetyism now, not allowed. Beautiful though still, but yeah, probably quite dangerous actually. Really funny story on this piece of land just here, probably the early 80s. I was with my Auntie Kay, Uncle Nick, Mum and Dad, and my cousins Mark and Carrie, and a big herd of cattle on here, and they proper stampeded us. There were no bulls, it was just all cows. So yeah, and we had to peg it to that gate up there. God, I'll never forget actually, it's proper fear. Some incredible architecture here. Just imagine in the 1800s, the Flying Scotsman going over there. Over the viaduct. What a sight to behold that would have been. Bring me to ecstasy.